Let's see how AI just transformed my podcast interview preparation. Intrigued? Stick around. As someone who's prepped over 1,000 podcast interviews, I know how the most crucial and time-critical aspect is the interview preparation. Today, I'm going to show you how I would use ChatGPT to make this process super efficient. In this video, I'm going to give it the task to help me prepare for an interview with the legendary entrepreneur Barbara Corcoran, creating an insightful bio and thought-provoking questions all in a matter of minutes, something that used to take hours. So if you're a content creator or an interviewer, this is a game changer. Now, everything I show you in these videos is the type of stuff you learn in my GPT Ninja community. Right now, it's just a repository of 1,300 ready-to-use prompts for any situation. But in August, we're growing into an interactive Discord community that focuses on effective prompt engineering and digital entrepreneurship. You can learn more by checking out my bio. Okay, let's dive in. So we're going to use ChatGPT 4 because I want to use the code interpreter. And because the code interpreter can read documents and summarize documents for me. And we're going to put all of our research into a document. So whenever you're starting, obviously getting a bio from somebody, so I just went straight to Barbara Corcoran's page, starting out with a bio. I'm going to copy all of this. And I just started a Word document, guys. So I'm going to actually paste special here because I just pasting from a website. It just makes it easier. So now I'm going to my next research source. Okay, and let's say we found a YouTube interview of Barbara Corcoran and we really liked it and there's some great information in there. Let's go ahead and grab the transcript from YouTube. I'm just going to copy all of this and I want to paste special in here as well. Just technique, unformatted text. And there it is. There's the transcript, quite long. And let's just, for the sake of demo, one more research source. And let's just say I found this 60 quotes just to get a sense. And I'll copy, say this, I don't even need all 60, just the first 20. So I'll copy this. Okay, so I think we got enough information. Again, you can go on and on. You can use a media kit. You could use stuff from Wikipedia. Whatever you feel you need to do effective research. So I'm just going to save this Word document. And I'll go back to ChatGPT, start a new chat. And again, we're going to use the code interpreter because, and then make sure the blue check is there, because I want this little plus in here where I can upload a file. And so I'm going to upload that file I just saved. And there's that doc, and now we're going to get ready for the prompt. I'm not going to read all of this. You can pause this and copy this down, but basically it's common sense, guys. I'm telling ChatGPT what I'm expecting of them, assisting me in preparing for an upcoming interview, and I tell a little bit about the podcast, focus on journeys, insights, and strategies of entrepreneurs, and then I'm specifically asking what I want. I want a biography, right? And then I want thought-provoking questions. 10 to 15 compelling open-ended questions. And then I go into a little more detailed guidelines for the questions, even though I have it done up here in number 2. I just want to be specific. I want how and why focused questions. I want insightful and engaging questions. I want unique questions. And then I ask for formatting. Please give me the biography and questions in a well-structured format. And then the biography should be 200 to 300 words long, right? I'm just going to copy my prompt. I go back into ChatGPT 4, again, making sure that my document is part of the chat that I uploaded. And then there's the whole prompt, and let's just see how it does. Code interpreter is going to work, examining the document. All right, how do we do? Well, biography, nothing magical about a biography, but again, it gives me there, it's 80% there. If I want to tweak the biography, I can certainly do that on my own or even have ChatGPT tweak it. But the real thing I'm really interested in are the questions. How did we do? What is the biggest challenge you faced when starting the Corcoran Group and how did you overcome it? Okay. How was your experience as a woman in male-dominated fields? Not bad, but they're not as bold as intriguing as I'd like. So let's make the questions more bold and intriguing with a theme to each question bolded for me. Just get a little more detailed. Let's see what happens. This is why I love ChatGPT, guys, just with a little bit of tweaking. Again, just in real time, I've been doing this for 10 minutes. And from going from no research to this output in 10 minutes, how much more prepared do you think I'm going to feel going into this interview? And already with these questions, again, I'm not even, maybe won't even ask all of these questions, and that's not the point. In fact, I'm going to have a natural conversation with her. But now I'm armed with these questions. Maybe the conversation isn't going like I like. These are arrows in my quiver that I can pull out in the arsenal. I can feel that much more prepared. And I did this in 10 minutes. Normally without ChatGPT, this would take me an hour plus to do. So if you're doing multiple interviews or you're trying to create content, it's about time saving. This is what ChatGPT excels at, time saving. And this knocked it out of the park for me. Let me know what you think. Ready to harness the power of AI? Click that plus sign, follow me for insider tips, and swing by my bio for the premium ChatGPT Ninja Toolkit and more. Your journey to the future starts now.